Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Justfly booking, or you can say ticket. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started first of all, and that is, you can say there is some limitations while canceling your Justfly booking, because every flight, or you can say every airlines have different policies for cancellation and all. So the tickets and all, each and everything is depend on your time, and each and everything is totally different. So in that case you need to call on their customer service team number. As you can see on your screen, these are the customer care service team numbers, and you need to dial these numbers, or you can also get your help on WhatsApp, and you can send them hi message at this WhatsApp number, or you can dial these numbers. Okay, and once you get connected you can tell them your query, like we wish to cancel your Justfly booking and all, and they will check your booking status, and they will guide you can cancel your booking or not. And they will tell you if your booking is under policy, and if your ticket is under policy, and if a ticket is able to cancel, then they can cancel your ticket very easily on online via calling. Okay, and if it is not, then they can tell you that you cannot cancel your account, you cannot cancel your booking and ticket, and they will guide you also then how you can refund your money back, and they will tell you in which time frame you will get your money back. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can cancel your booking. You need to call on their customer service team number. Okay, so numbers you can see on your screen. You can make a screenshot, or you can pause my video. So this is the video for how to cancel your Justfly booking and tickets. So if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.